Hey everyone, it's Lacey at Grandma Auto Repair. The stay-at-home order has impacted all of us in so many ways. We've had to be separated during a time when we've needed each other the most. Schools and businesses have been closed, and we've all been thrust into a new world of Zoom calls and learning how to be productive from home. So many people have lost their jobs and have had to rely on unemployment, maybe for the first time. There have been so many unknowns about our future and where we will go from here. There have been a lot of negative impacts on all of us, and the negativity in the news media and in social media has only served to make us feel trapped, alone, insecure, overwhelmed, and lost. Now more than ever, we need to be able to come together and build each other up. We need hope, love, kindness, and support, and positivity. We have seen so many good stories of community, people reaching out and finding ways to help each other despite our separation. So today we are asking the question, what are some of the positive impacts that you have seen during the stay-at-home order? Let's take a moment and hear from some of our team members here at Grandma Auto Repair.
Hi, I'm Troy. This is my wife, Corey. We're the owners of Grandma Auto Repair.
So tell me a way the stay-at-home order has positively impacted your family.
I can think of a couple of positive things since the stay-at-home order. One would be more family time, just being creative and playing more board games and going outside and taking long drives and stuff like that, stuff we didn't normally do. We did, but not as much. And then another thing for me would be, one positive is not having to drive. Being a mom of 4 with 2 still at home, it's just like we were driving back and forth every day. School functions, school back and forth, sporting events, stuff like that. And it's just been nice not to have to drive. Not to mention the stress it causes and the busyness and just, yeah. So I've enjoyed being less stressed, less busy.
And at home with your family more.
And home, yeah. We're home 24/7 with each other.
And mine goes along the same lines. Playing the board games is definitely one, but just seeing the kids be more creative with their time, going out and playing basketball and just hanging out in the yard and having all of our family play volleyball and badminton. It's been great.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Rick, the service manager at Grandma Auto Repair. I've seen a lot of positive out of this. I had to stop to think for a moment because at first it was scary, but it's not. I have seen everybody reconnect with their faith and grow in their faith, whatever their faith is. I've seen lots and lots of people come together that wouldn't have had the time to come together necessarily before. I have seen families enjoy their children and take time for themselves. Just so many things. I hope that all the positive coming out of this event stays with those people and in their minds when everybody does go back to work, and they don't forget how awesome it really was to be home with your families despite the seclusion. But even though they were secluded, I think it brought people together in spirit and in heart. And I think we're going to experience a whole new way of life, a whole new positive way of life when this is over.
Good afternoon. I'm Brian, Service Advisor at Grandma Auto Repair. And a good thing that I have seen come from the stay-at-home order is people looking out for each other more. People extending their hand. Hey, I'll go get you groceries. Hey, I'll do this for you because you can't go out for people that can't. And I think it's a good thing, and it's kind of bringing our community back together the way it should have been all along.
Now we'd like to hear from you. What are some of the positive impacts that you've seen? We invite you to take a moment to share in the comments words of encouragement or ways that you have seen the stay-at-home order have a positive impact on yourself or in our community. If this video has helped you, or if you know someone who needs more hope, love, encouragement, kindness in their lives right now, Please share this video with them. We will get through this together, and hopefully we will come out of this stronger, healthier, and closer together than we've ever been before.